Right. Hello, everyone. What's up? How you doing all? Is the quality good enough? Please let me know because it's the first stream I've had in a while. But hopefully it goes well. So today we are going to solve SNWS Winter Series 2022 round 1, which was missing last summer, last winter. There was no SNWS series. I mean, that's obviously not the only reason not to stream, but anyway, now we can stream this, and maybe I will continue with streaming other contests, maybe Code Forces Division 2 or something like that. We'll see. Yep, hello to everyone who has just joined. And yeah, so I guess I will just start soon, but anyway, SNWS series are contests that are virtual, so they are 10 days long, but you can choose any 80 minutes window, and we will just start at the end of the 10-day range, so to say, and we'll start solving the problems for 80 minutes. Yeah, one thing I forgot to add here was the timer, I guess, but I'll handle it for the next stream. For now, it's just 80 minutes, or maybe less if I finish faster. And we'll have 6 problems. They will not be sorted by difficulty, so I will just try to find the easiest problem first, or maybe I will just look at the scoreboard to use that information. And what else? The problems are in Russian, but I will translate them to English automatically. And that should be it. Yep. So I guess I will just start in a couple of minutes. Yeah, I will use Google Translate, I guess. Thanks for congratulating me on 400 plus on top order, even though it should be 4000 plus, but it's fine. 400 plus is a good result as well. Apparently. Do I use pen and paper? I do have a pen and paper here, and perhaps I will use them if needed. We'll see how it goes. There is some information about my IDE below the stream, I think. Like, yeah, it's called Farm Manager, and basically it's just console. So like, it's not Turbo C++ as some people say or think, but it doesn't provide, like, it's not a real IDE, it's basically just a console application. Looks like Midnight Commander. Yeah, I think actually Midnight Commander was maybe even inspired by Farm Manager, but it was for Linux, and I'm using Windows. Yeah. The full form of SNWS is at the top left of the screen. SNWS used to be a website. I mean, it's still a website, but it's not as maintained as it used to be. It was a very, I would even say, important website for competitive programming community in like Russian speaking. And it is maintained by SNWS, who can be seen in Code Forces comments sometimes. And yeah, Winter Series is a contest. So posting links is not allowed. Yeah, actually I did not like set up this on purpose. But I guess it will not be allowed for now. Sorry about that. Yeah, I use comments. Sometimes do I replace pen and paper with them? Yeah, I guess I do. Like, yeah, if it's faster to just type something, it could be the case. Yeah, I will not answer all the questions right now. It's not a Q&A session after all. We are here to solve the contest and I have to start it soon. So yeah. Yeah, so yeah, once again, if the quality is good, I will just start soon and then I will not really be commenting on what I will be doing, I think. I will just mostly do it competitively, not really distracting myself, and then we will maybe discuss the problems. So let's see. Oops. Yeah, should be all right now. Yeah, and on the right, you will be able to see the status of the problems. Gray means like unsolved and not tried yet. And then, yeah, I will mark solved problems. All right. I will start in 15 seconds then to make it a whole number of minutes. And yeah, see you in 80 minutes or sooner. But I will maybe mumble. Maybe that will be helpful too. Okay. No. Okay. Okay. Come on. Okay, I've just spent 1 minute on this, but it's fine. Okay. $20, okay. What was that actually? 20? Yeah, 20, okay. I guess I should just copy. Yeah, I'm not sure yet what this problem is asking. Oops. Okay. Yeah, I mean, yeah, sorry. I mean, I guess it's just minimum in an array because the constraints are small, so So I guess I can just solve it in linear time, unless I am missing something. Okay, let's see. Okay, open. Yeah, people are solving it, okay. Okay. Accepted. Good. Wait, what? Okay, product of the sum by the total number. Okay. I guess. Okay, I guess we have AI. Okay, population, but whatever. Okay. Let's find perfect sums. And now multiset. I don't really need multiset, right? I just need, yeah, I need a set of quarantined cities. This is to maintain boundaries. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is the value and this is the count. And if I want to remove, yeah, okay. I guess I can do just this. Now I do add from 0 to n minus 1. I do this. And now I have some city quarantined. Yeah, I get to the lower bound. I should remove a segment from previous +1 to next -1. I should add the segment, like 2 segments. I should do ends equal to max of ends and sum times CNT, and I think that's it. Yeah, okay, there is no remove, so just like this. 190 and 120. Okay. Okay. People are not solving anything else. Okay. Okay, this is geometry. I guess we can skip it for now. Yeah, the remaining problems are a bit long. Let's read A. Okay, C accepted. Okay. So okay. So I need to find the median value of union of two segments. And if they intersect, then yeah. Oh, and they are sorted in ascending order. Okay, that helps, I guess. We can just binary search. Do I want two nested binary searches? It could be a bit too slow, but well. I mean, yeah, I could just do one binary search. Right, it's the median of two, yeah, of two sorted arrays. It's kind of a well-known problem, but it's a bit tricky to implement. What do I really do? Yeah. Oops. Okay, people are solving A. What else? Nothing else. Okay. Yeah, I guess I have to solve it. I mean, let's just try, and if it's too slow, then it's too slow. Like, really? What are the values? Like, yeah, I mean, okay, take some value. Yeah, I want to count. Okay, let's use maybe upper bound. Okay, this line is a bit long, but it's fine. Yeah, okay. Okay, what if I just output low now? One string. Oh yeah. Wait, 0? Yeah, 0. That's right. And now, okay, I don't need another binary search. I can just do this. And this. Yeah, if count is even, then I have to do something. Otherwise, I just print this number. So, a yeah. Something like this, I guess. Yeah. Y6. What? Yeah, okay, I get it. Yeah, this is incorrect. Okay, let's do this. Oof. Yeah, I only need this if this happens. Otherwise, it's just low again. Okay. Guess let's submit. It's a bit sketchy. Okay, B solved. Gotta read it, I guess. Okay, I guess I have to actually implement a faster solution, which is also simpler, I guess, but like it's not simpler, like it will even have simpler code, I assume, but yeah, I don't really enjoy it. Okay, I guess whatever. Let's use different variables. Okay, and now take AX. I need this number, okay? Okay, I guess this is what I want. This is the number of elements I take from the first array. Okay, I take x1 elements from the first array. I take need minus x1 elements from the second array. If I take too few elements from the second array, I have to take less elements from the first array. This is a symmetric case. Yeah. Yeah, and now I have to check something. What do I want to check? I want to check the next element in the first part, and it should not be yeah. Yeah. In this case, I should take more elements. Okay, I guess I will just do this then. In this case, I should take fewer elements. And otherwise, I just no. This and this. Okay, and I assume that after all this, I just have found the actual number which I want to find. And it even makes... Yeah, it looks like it might even work, but I'm not really sure. Anyway, let's see. Okay. It's a bit annoying. Okay, I guess. Let's go. What problem B was about? What's going on here exactly? I have a convex polygon. I have K rotors. What? Okay, I guess I just need to find the area of the inscribed circle in each polygon. And then just make a matching, like greedily. It's a bit of a weird problem, but it's fine. Whatever, I guess. Yeah, I need kind of exact values. What do I even do? Like, I guess I just need some. Yeah, I need some geometry. Like, how do I solve the geometric part? I can just do nested binary searches, nested ternary searches, but it's yeah, and I don't really have anywhere to copy this from. Can I just find something? I guess it should be possible to. Copy from Emacs. Maybe I could. Let's see. Okay. 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 I want to place a router. Yeah, and this could be imprecise, so I guess maybe we can do this. Yeah, actually, while it's too big, I have to pointer. If the pointer's at the end, just break. Otherwise, use it. Okay, do I believe that this code will work? We'll see. What's inf? I guess max coordinate just. So I guess just one e6 should do. What else? Steps X. What? Yeah, it's a bit suspicious. All of this. Also this. But this is fixable. Yeah, 0. Yeah, just output 0, does it? No, it doesn't. Yeah, I just cannot solve the rest of the problem then. Should not be that hard. Yeah, well, the radius is too small. Yeah, like this. Okay, 2. I guess just submit and see what happens. What do you have? You have D and F, okay. Why not, I guess. Nice problem. Enjoyed solving it very much. Okay. No less than 13 and no more than 20, seriously? I mean, seriously? What? This is super weird. Number of failures and number of preserved pieces of text. What's up with periods? Like, periods are just characters, I guess. Okay, it's guaranteed that with the help of those of them that are substrings of the original text, it's possible to cover the entire original text. What? It's like super weird. Okay, I guess just read F. Okay, rectangular map. Yeah, okay. Okay, this problem looks like just like simple BFS, does it? I mean, yeah. Hmm. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. I mean, okay. I guess. Just do it. So I have 50 times 50. Hmm. Well, it's a bit. The number of states is a bit high. But like, yeah, I obviously cannot reach all of them. Yeah, okay, I see. Obviously. I can't have too high of speed. If I have too high, like, speed cannot be greater than 10, I guess, in each direction. Because otherwise you just cannot stop in time. But whatever. I guess just do this. Because who cares? So I need 5 numbers? Yeah, just like this. Okay. Okay. 0, then we have ij 0, 0. Yeah, and actually I need. Okay, let's also maintain distance here because like the queue will be small. Okay, let's check. Okay, it's okay. So Yeah, k plus 1. And... oh, wait. Yeah, also speed can be negative, so yeah. This is not good. Yeah. Whatever. I guess just do this then. Okay. Um, okay. Okay. Yeah. All right. If I have not been to an x and y, x plus m, vy plus m, mask. X, vy, mask. Wait. Yeah, like this. Also here. Yeah. This is marked as true. Also cannot step on x's. Let's copy from the Russian statement to be sure. 10. Interesting. 6. Actually interesting. 8 is correct. Well, I think my understanding of the problem should be correct. I'm not 100% sure, but like, yeah, for this test it should be okay. Can you also visit them in some order? Yeah. Also need to visit them in order, I guess. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. This will be the number of visited things. This is not a mask anymore technically, but who cares, I guess. Okay. So why do I get 7 here and not just 4 on the second test? Isn't it just go and go and go? Maybe just see what it prints. Yeah. Wait. Why there's no just 1 0 1 0 1? Wait, 4. What do you mean? Come on. Yeah, I don't get it. Like at all? What? What? Oh yeah. Okay, I love this box. Yeah, this is funny. Happens to me quite often, I would say. It's okay. 9, 4. Yeah, okay. Just submit, I think. Yeah, okay. Still no submissions to D and F. I'm losing on penalty, I guess, because of not using blind submissions in particular, but it's fine. What do you mean partial solution? Yeah, oops. Okay, so just one problem left, which is problem D, which is kind of a weird problem. Let's copy the input. Yeah. Like the broken text is from 11 to 40 characters. And partial, like substrings, are from 13 to 20 characters. Like yeah, if I have from 13 to 20 characters, obviously partial text is at least 11, because we only can have 2 mistakes. So 11 plus 2 is 13, but okay, also it's at most 40. What does it mean to us? Can I just try all possible texts and check if they can be covered? I mean, how many ways do I have to insert something? But like, what? But there is also the 13 to 20 constraint, which has to do something, I guess. Yeah. So yeah, once again, like I can just find all possible. Okay, 40 multiple test cases. Yeah, 100 test cases, but like the input is at most 40 kilobytes. I mean, so what? 100 cases, 40 square times 26 square. Like, yeah, It's a lot, right? Obviously. Like 40 square times 26 square times 100. Actually, not that. Like 100 million. 5 seconds. And also, yeah, actually more than that, right? I can insert a letter somewhere and I can replace a letter somewhere. And I have to, yeah, so that's like actually 80 ways. I can also remove every letter, but like that doesn't really count. So yeah, I have 41 way to insert a letter. It's like 81 times 26 and plus 40 to remove. And basically that's square half. So yeah, it's like yeah, but also I have to check if something is coverable quickly. How do I do that? But that's like super weird. I guess I can build a Hokorasic automaton and just check. This is kind of ridiculous though. Like 13 to 20 characters. But I guess it's fine. Like I can just use recursion after that, right? Like I can just use recursion, which goes, yeah, it's so weird. Okay, I guess it's fine. Yeah. Yeah, I have some strings. I guess I can build actual automaton, but I guess I can also build the lazy automaton. Um, hmm, hmm. Let's be lazy. It's fine. Like, yeah. Okay. Okay. What's that? Like, yeah, periods are like, why are there periods even? Let's replace all periods with I don't know. Yeah, like this. Just because it's annoying. Yeah. And now I try every possible prefix. Get some string and then I guess just whatever. Okay, let's do it properly. Like, it's not properly already, but yeah, if I have a prefix like that, then 2ij is equal to begin break. Okay, and I also want cover, which is maximum substring ending on me, so I just do subs here, subs here. I can go to till 1 here, and yeah, I think like this. Yeah, let's see. Okay. Why? Okay. What? Wait. Why am I not getting runtime errors? I guess I'll figure it out later. Okay. So what do I do now? Yeah, it should be okay. 0, 0, 0. I guess D here is okay. Yeah. And also I need the number of uncovered characters, which is 0. So if position is equal to length of text and number of uncovered characters is 0, then I can just do this. Yeah. Otherwise, if position is less than line, I can just remove a character if I have errors available. I go to position +1, errors -1, state is the same, uncovered is the same. I can replace a character. I can also make no mistake. Yeah. How to process the character? Okay, whatever, I guess. Yeah, I guess like this. So go by like this. Position +1, errors are the same, character is text pos. Okay, then if I have errors left, I can just remove a character. Again, if I have characters, I take a character and say go, new position +1, errors -1, character. Let's say a different character. And I can insert the character. So I don't need position here. I don't move position to the next character. I just do this. Okay. So I go to this state and new uncovered is uncovered +1, but if cover new state is at least new uncovered, then new uncovered becomes 0. And I do DFS, new position, new errors, new state, new uncovered. That could be it. Yeah, that's not it. Yeah. Okay, one thing is that I should for sure do something like res at C, res popback to actually get the string. What? Okay. Let's see what happens here. What would happen here? What would happen here? Why is that the case? If I allow an error, then I get a string without the net. What? Yeah, just wait. What is this? This is not correct at all. I should just be searching for prefs I here. Yeah. Yeah. It's a bit of a weird bug, but I guess it's okay. One 4 to 57. That looks good. It's like super slow. Come on. It's just 3 test cases? Why is it that slow? Is it just building the string, the thing? Or is it DFS? Yeah, building is just fast. So it's just DFS, but why is it so slow? Oh, okay, I mean... Yeah, I see why it's so slow, but... What should I do with that? Drop it to the fire, I guess. Yeah, it's somehow much slower than I expected it to be. Why? Actually, not sure. Yeah, I mean, at least if uncovered is greater than... Yeah, I guess like if new uncovered is greater than... Like, yeah, it has to be... Like if I put strictly smaller here, I just get zeros, right? And if I put less than or equal, then it should be okay. Yeah. Let's just submit, I think. That could be enough, like, kind of a good optimization. Yeah, okay, it's enough. Good, I guess. Okay, what's up? You've just lost 20 cents, I guess. That's fine. Not drop, it's throw. Yeah, thank you, Lydia. Yeah, easy game, easy life, I guess. Yeah, it's still not for sure that I win. Like, maybe someone solves the 6th problem, but yeah, maybe unlikely. Yeah. Yeah, I guess we will just wait at least for the end. Was it too easy? Well, no, it was not too easy. It was just okay. I mean, yeah, given that not many people solved all the problems as of now. What have I missed? Yeah, speedrun of the last Division 3. Not today, but yeah. Thanks for your suggestion. I think I'm kind of positive to maybe stream tomorrow's Division 2 after the contest. Oh, highly. Yeah, that's actually a tourist stream. Yeah. Nice to see you following. So, yeah. So yeah, let's take a look at the problems once again. I guess I will not, like, I actually talked during solving them. Was it comprehensive, like, was it understandable, or was it like just mumbling? I'm not really sure about that, but yeah. Ever solved less than 50% of a contest? Yeah, for sure. You can just open my code courses profile if you really want to. Yeah, just open contests and yeah, just sort by rank, I guess. Yeah, 2 problems. Nice. And this is my best contest probably. Like, I mean, yeah. Hi Piotr. Was glad I didn't solve the round, haven't seen the problems, just enjoying the show seems to be the right approach. Yeah, I guess. It was not like, it was kind of standard-ish. Well, not ish, maybe just standard. Like, no problems were too mind-boggling. It was kind of applying somewhat standard techniques and also like copy-pasting geometry stuff, right? So yeah, problem A was you have an array, increasing array of integers, and you have 2 subarrays. You want to find the median of the like union of those subarrays. And yeah, like this problem is like in general the problem of finding median of 2 subarrays of 2 like sorted arrays can be solved in log time. Basically, you just want to do binary search on the number of elements you take from the first part. Like you want to divide the first subarray into 2 parts and the second subarray into 2 parts so that the sum of these 2 parts is exactly half the sum of their lengths, and all elements of the left parts are smaller than the elements of the right parts. So that's kind of what you want to do. And you can actually just do binary search on how many elements you take from the first part and calculate how many, like that was x1. You can calculate how many elements you take from the second part, which is x2. Need is like half of the elements. And then you just check some conditions to figure out where to actually move the pointers. And in case you don't have to move them, you can actually just find the median. I guess this problem is kind of well known if you just look for median of 2 sorted arrays. You can probably find the solution easily. I think it's kind of a standard, maybe even interview problem, I'm not sure. Yeah, so that was A. Problem B was, I'm not sure, like it required some geometry primitive, which is given a convex polygon, find the biggest. Yeah, sorry, I guess. About problem A, I can also binary search on the index of median. Yeah, because the arrays are yeah, okay. Because I take subarrays from the same array, right? Yeah, okay. That's yeah, actually I don't care about the elements. Like, yeah, I used a too general approach. My approach was if you have like like let's say you have two arrays and you take a subarray from one array and subarray from the second array, and take their union. But here you have just one array, so you can, yeah, actually just ignore the values, right? Yeah, that's fine. Like first I implemented a too slow approach, and then I implemented an approach which is too general. But anyway, got it accepted, so I guess it's fine. Yeah, problem B required some geometry, which is largest inscribed circle in a polygon. So basically I just opened, what did I open? Emacs, largest inscribed circle. Yeah, it's actually in Russian, but I guess, yeah, I think I found this blog post and just copy pasted the code from here, which actually doesn't compile because it has steps X, which is like not defined and something like that. But yeah, you can make it work. I'm not sure, like, I guess it's a pity I don't have it like my own implementation, which I can trust, but it's fine. Why is double ternary search correct? Well, is it actually mentioned here? I guess, like, yeah, this paper, like, yeah, there's actually like an English version of this, right, as well. But yeah, it just says these properties are clear from geometric considerations. So yeah, for each x you can find the best y, like the best radius of a circle which is on that x. Like, it's kind of clear why then inner ternary search works, but like, yeah, I guess it's easy to see. It's not maybe trivial about the outer one, but I guess you can prove it. I'm not like 100% sure what is the easiest way to prove. That was it. Yeah, problem C was just, yeah, you have some array, you just remove elements, the array splits into parts, and you take each part. In each part you round the total to 10 up. You take the total of those totals, you take the count after each removal, and you want to find the max of count times sum, which is like pretty artificial. I'm not sure like how to come up with such problems, but I guess why not. But the solution is just basically maintaining the total, the count, and also maintaining a set of removed like quarantine settlements, so that you can just quickly find what segments you have to remove. Like, you have to remove one segment every time and add two segments, which could be empty, but maybe not as well. That was it. Yeah, D, I don't know, like, what is the intended solution to D? I have no idea, because yeah. What type of people compete in these events? Academics, software engineers, etc. In this particular, like, yeah, in general, Codeforces is the go-to website, and it's totally, like, of course, open to anyone. And I guess if you're asking like what the main audience is, that is probably students, but like there are a lot of people who are working and just enjoying their time, maybe as a hobby. Maybe some people are learning, some people are preparing for the maybe ICPC, which is the main collegiate event for students, which is like the most known one. And yeah, like everyone. Also like school students also like compete. I think high school, even middle school, maybe even primary school, but that's rare. Yeah, I guess sometimes I am. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, you can go to contests and how many? Yeah, that's actually, yeah, 34,000 people actually registered for the last round, which is quite impressive, I think, I guess. I guess it's more than, like, is it even a new record, maybe? Because I don't see numbers as high in the recent ones. So yeah. Yeah, if you just want enough knowledge to pass a Google interview, then probably preparing specifically for interviews is more appropriate, which is a bit of a different like way. Like you can also prepare like using competitions, which is a fun way to prepare, of course. It's just much more indirect, I guess. And yeah, like that. Is the contest over, by the way? Yeah, it is. And okay, Ramazan failed problem C. And yeah, nobody solved D. So I don't have anyone to discuss problem D with. That's fine. Yeah, problem E was just, yeah, just understand it. Because like, automatic translations are not great, but yeah. I guess it's just n times q. I guess you can, like, I'm pretty sure you can do it faster, but you don't have to, and F was just kind of BFS, which I also kind of described as I was typing it, so I guess I will not go in depth right now. Yeah. What else? Everyone is waiting for that D? Everyone? Who is everyone? Like, probably you, right? I don't think most people do wait for D. But yeah, I guess I can talk a little bit about D. So D was, you have a text you want to insert, like you have a text you want to insert, replace, or delete some characters, and you can make at most 2 such steps, and you want the string to be coverable by these substrings. Like you want this string, after you make the changes, at most 2 of them, you want like to put these substrings on the string so that each character is contained in some substring, and you want just to find all the possible options of the final string. So basically the thing to note is that you can do one operation in like 2000 ways. You can take a position, you choose whether you erase, remove, or replace, erase, insert, or replace. And if you make a new character, you can also, like, you also loop over that character. So we have about 2k options for one step. You can also do 2 steps in like 4 million options. And then you want to quickly figure out how to, is the string coverable? And I guess if you just try all possible ways and then try to check, then it's too slow. But you can also do like DFS, which is like you go from left to right. Position is how many characters of the strings we have processed. Error is like how many errors we can do, like which is 2 initially, or 1, whatever is given in the problem. And then state, and state is the state in, like, basically what I did above DFS was some kind of an Hokoresic automaton, Like not exactly, but like it was a lazy one. Like I just found all the prefixes of all strings and found like all prefixes of all strings actually correspond to different states of this automaton, and then I just do like kind of straightforward like brute force, just try to append every character and see what new state you get to. And the thing about this automaton is that you can like add one character and in constant time. Like as you do DFS, when you have finished processing everything, you can just tell in constant time whether the string is covered, just because you maintain what state you're in and how many of the last characters are not covered. UNC stands for uncovered here. And that's kind of it. Yeah, I hope those who wanted to know the solution got it. If you have any questions about the problem, to ask. Any coding tips, Kevin? I guess you can give coding tips yourself. So it is exponential. I'm not sure what you mean. Like there are 40, like it's exponential in the number of mistakes we do, which is D, which is at most 2. Yeah, it is exponential in D, but otherwise it's polynomial. So yeah. Do you have a polynomial solution not in D, like, but in general? Algo debug H is just some snippet for me to be able to type debug of variables and then be able to see them on screen. I can just insert this into my code, but I don't want to clutter it since the new year, so I can see D and N are 1 and 4 here. And yeah, that's the point. Yeah, Kevin, please reply the question in the chat. That's the dream. Yeah. Okay, that's cool. You can figure it out. Yeah, no, I don't actually use GDB for debugging. I just use debug output like I showed. GDB could be helpful sometimes, but I'm not using it. I don't know, like debug output is basically enough for me at any point. Kevin's been replying all the questions to the chat. Yeah, thank you, Kevin. That's great to know that someone is there to back me up. Yeah. So you always feel guilty that GDB isn't part of your debugging like you also use debug output, and is that it? I can actually, I'm considering like maybe trying some different IDEs on stream, just because it could be just fun for me to learn them as well. Maybe just get used a bit. But otherwise, I guess in general, I prefer console, like just a simple text editor, because it's just faster. Like you can do basically everything in instant, but if you use any IDE, you need to kind of like use its interface, which is a bit slower. I'm not sure, like I don't have any specific thoughts on this, and it's fine to just use whatever you want. Like, yeah, actually also to most people who are asking me like what IDE I use, actually like what is true for sure is that it does not matter almost at all. Like whatever you find comfortable with, you can use GDB, you can use actual debuggers installed in IDEs, you can use just debug output. Whatever makes you productive is just fine. Like you have to learn all the shortcuts, make your own macros. Like you have to, if you want to be like, you want to optimize your performance, like be as fast as possible. But otherwise, like to be reasonably fast, you don't need like to be too experienced with your IDE. Like I can use any IDE. It will take me a bit of time to get used to it. Like I will have to relearn all the shortcuts, but it will just take several minutes in total of all the contests, which is fine enough. Did you ever consider to change the color of your editor from blue? I guess blue is my trademark color as of now, so I guess no. But I could. Maybe, yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, I think I will be back tomorrow, but not sure yet. Like, I guess tomorrow in the morning I'll see if I feel energetic enough to stream Division 2, so I guess, yeah, tomorrow, it's actually a bit early, it's earlier than usual time. Yeah, it's 15:05 Moscow time, which is kind of at night for America, but I think it's better for Asian contestants. So yeah, maybe I could tune in after this round. If I do, then I will just yeah, I guess just post a stream here, which is now empty. But why is it empty, by the way? Wait, it's not like, come on. Come on. Yeah, I guess I just didn't start on time, and that's what happened. Is it it? It's not finished. Okay. Come on. Nobody told me. I mean, it's fine. Yeah, thank you, Snapdragon. Good to see you in the chat. What about... Yeah, there was a question about languages. Yeah, I used to use Pascal. How about solving round 2 in Pascal? I mean... Yeah, I've used a bit of Python, Java, Kotlin. And yeah, I guess that's it. And Pascal, of course, which I used for basically my whole high school. And only switched during the university, like the first year of university, because like for ICPC and in general, I guess Pascal was slowly dying at that time. Just to make it clear that language doesn't matter as well. I think it would matter here. Like 10 years of no practice in Pascal is probably harmful. But yeah, thanks for the suggestion. Assembly, yeah. Yeah, sure. I guess that's it. Do click the follow button to get notifications once I go live. And just see you all later. Bye all.